Hi, everybody. Stephanie Dahl here with Dahl Fisher, your estate planning attorneys here in Denver, Colorado. The next step in our process is the design session. And at the design session actually starts a little bit before. Once we know after the education session how we want to proceed, whether that be a will, a trust, a will with a contingent trust, once we know that, we're going to send you a questionnaire. And this is a long questionnaire. And a lot of times it will scare people away, but we promise it's not too terrible. It's a really great place to sit down and organize kind of everything. Assets, debts, things of that nature, so that we know how to best plan for you. So we have you fill that out, and then we look at it during our design session. And the reason we call this next meeting our design session is that we are going to design your will, your trust, your entire estate plan around the needs of you and your family. So we're going to go through all sorts of questions, and we send you a list of appointments that you're going to make ahead of time. So who do you want as your personal representative? Who do you want as your trustee, your guardian? Who's a backup to those people? But during that design session, it's a really great time for us to talk about what does that person do? So often we say, oh, I want my spouse as my personal representative or the trustee or whomever. And then who's that backup? And there's a hesitation because we're going, well, what does that person exactly do? I can Google it and kind of get a better idea. But, one of the things I like to do is talk to people about what that person in reality would be doing for them. So during that design session, we're going to have all of those conversations so that our clients feel comfortable knowing, one, what that person will do, and that two, they have determined that they have the right person in that spot. So at our design session, we go through and we get everything done. Our next step after the design session really falls on us, and that is drafting everything. And so once we draft everything and we get that all completed, we send it to you for review. And if there's anything we want to change, anything of that nature, we do. And then once that's completed, we move on to our last step, which is going to be our signing session. So stay tuned for the next video and I'll explain the signing session. Thanks and have a great day.